Good morning, y'all. Good morning. Good morning. How y'all doing? Next episode, Juicy and Big T's fishing adventures.
So you're pulling out
We
McGee's Landing right
pulling
here?
up at McGee's Landing right here. Yeah, we're gonna try a little fishing. A little too many Bud Lights last night. You see my eyes; they looking a little rough. And we got Juicy right here.
That's me, Juicy. We're going up the levee right now. Thank God I got that Duramax diesel and great B&M audio. Did a great work to it in that. I can make over this hill. You know what's crazy about this truck? I can guarantee you a can of dip out here, and I love my dip.
Alright, that's enough Big Juicy right now.
No,
Big
hold
Juicy,
on.
big,
I'm
big.
not
All
fishing.
right,
I'm not done yet. I bet you I'm the biggest truck out here. Look around. Look around. Nobody's hiring me. Nobody. See, look, that truck can't compete. That truck cannot compete. Yes, just wait. Alright, now we're pulling up to the tackle.
Yeah, we're pulling up over here to McGee's. We're about to get set up and stuff. Go check them out. See what we got
Hey, see, they got pussy crawling all over here. Look at that. Pussy all over this lawn. That's why I come over here. We get this.
Oh, there you go, because I ain't never been with no black girl, but hey.
Yeah, that's kind of hairy. See, I can do all the looking. I can't do all the touching now. So I can do all the looking on one, right, that Shannon? Yeah.
Alright, that's the first cut of episode 1. We're gonna be back with y'all in a minute.